Index of NaN always returns -1, even when NaN is literally in your array. This isn't a bug, it's how JavaScript defines equality. Creates a constant array named arr containing 3 elements. The number 1, the special numeric value, not a number abbreviated as NaN, and the number 3. This initializes the data structure used in subsequent lines to demonstrate handling of NaN values. Invokes the indexOf method on the previously initialized array arr to search for the exact occurrence of NaN. Since indexOf uses strict equality comparison, which does not treat NaN as equal to itself, this call fails to locate NaN and returns -1. Uses findIndex on arr with a callback function that applies Number.isNaN to each element x. This predicate correctly identifies NaN because Number.isNaN is designed specifically for reliable detection of the not a number value, bypassing equality rules. Calls includes on arr to determine whether NaN exists anywhere in the array. The includes method internally uses same value 0 comparison, which correctly treats NaN as equal to itself for inclusion checks. Use findIndex with Number.isNaN to reliably detect NaN, because equality doesn't work the way you think in JavaScript. Subscribe for daily coding videos.